In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animations to the Shopify Dawn theme. We'll walk through exactly where to find these animation settings, what each option does, and how to preview the results on your store. By the end, you'll know how to give your Dawn theme a bit more life and movement without touching any code. First, log into your Shopify admin and head to your online store. In the sidebar, click on Themes. From here, you'll see your current theme listed, which should be Dawn if you're following along. Click Edit Theme to open the online store editor. This is the space where you can customize the look and feel of your storefront. Once the editor loads, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll see a panel with your sections like header, image banner, and so on. Just below those sections, on the leftmost part of the editor, there's a small gear icon. This is your theme settings button. Go ahead and click that. Inside Theme Settings, scroll until you find the option labeled Animations. Click on Animations and you'll see two main areas to work with: Reveal Sections on Scroll and Hover Animations. Let's start with Reveal Sections on Scroll. This is a simple toggle that controls how your sections appear as visitors move down your page. If you turn this toggle on, your sections will be revealed gradually as you scroll. It creates a smooth, more dynamic feel, where each section fades or slides into view instead of everything appearing at once. If you prefer a more static, instant layout, you can toggle this off. With it off, all sections are visible right away and simply move up and down as you scroll. As you change this setting, keep an eye on the live preview on the right side of the editor. Scroll the preview to see how the sections behave and decide which style better fits your brand. Next, let's look at hover animations. Click the hover animations drop-down and you'll see three choices: none, vertical lift, and 3D lift. If you choose none, your buttons will stay mostly still, with only a subtle darkening of the border when someone hovers over them. Vertical lift adds a slight upward movement on hover, making the button appear to lift just a bit off the page. 3D lift goes a step further, giving the button a stronger lifted effect with a soft shadow on all sides, making it feel more three-dimensional and interactive. One important thing to note: these button hover effects do not show directly in the theme editor preview. To see them in action, you'll need to click Save in the top right corner first. After saving, open your actual online store in a new tab, hover over your buttons, and test how each animation feels. If you want to refine it, go back into Edit Theme, return to Theme Settings, adjust the hover animation option, save again, and refresh your storefront to compare. And that's it. Using just these built-in settings, you can quickly add smooth scroll reveals and engaging hover effects to your Shopify Dawn theme, making your store feel more polished and interactive without any extra apps or coding.